Hi! Hello world! Do you remember guys the quote, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? As the mirror never lies." As this quote from the magical Disney story, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The new trailer for Disney live-action Snow White is here and give us more footage of Gal Gadot as the evil queen, Rachel Zegler as Snow White, Andrew Burnap as Jonathan, Akka the Prince, and all seven dwarfs, Doc, Grump, Happy, Sleepy, Bashful, Sneezy, and Dopey. Grimm Fairy Tale gets a Technicolor treatment in Disney's first animated feature. Jealous of Snow White's beauty, the wicked queen orders the death of her innocent stepdaughter, but later discovered that the Snow White is still alive and hiding in a cottage with seven friendly little minors. Disguising herself as a hag, the queen brings a poison apple to Snow White, who falls into a death like a sleep that can be broken only by a kiss from the prince. The main idea of the story Snow White is Snow White is meant to represent good, while the queen is meant to represent evil. A main message of the work is that good will always prevail over evil. The queen makes multiple attempts on Snow White's life, and yet in the end, the queen is the one sentenced to death. The moral of the story is vanity will not take you far, but kindness will. In this story, the queen was completely indulged in vanity, which messed with her mind, but kind-hearted Snow White found friends and met prince that loved her and stood by her. Snow White historical credentials are well known as the Disney Studios' first feature-length film. It marked a significant turning point for Walt Disney himself, for the Disney Studio, for the art of animation, and to some extent for American films in general. Snow White is a classic fairy tale character known for her kindness, innocence, and beauty. She is often depicted as a gentle and caring young woman who befriends forest animals and endures hardship with grace. Thank you, Walt Disney. Magical day, everyone. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.